With an extremely aggressive appearance, I would like to proudly present the all-new 2016 Audi RS7 in Mythos Black Metallic. With a turbocharged 560 horsepower V8 engine and the astonishing 605 horsepower in the RS7 performance model, plus quadro all-wheel drive with sport differential and incomparable luxury amenities, you'll see that the Audi RS7 delivers performance that leave even sport cars envious. With a 605 horsepower engine that has a top track speed of 190 miles per hour, sport exhaust, Audi dynamic ride control suspension, and a carbon optic design package, you'll see that these are the things that the legends are made of. The model we're looking at today is a 560 horsepower version. With this astounding number, it only takes the RS7 3.7 seconds to reach from 0 to 60 miles per hour. When it comes to the interior, the RS7 is loaded with futuristic technologies. Some examples include the head-up display that projects a readout of the car's speed, navigation, and assisted system directly onto the windshield. Next is the corner view camera system to help the driver when parking or pulling out into traffic by providing additional vantage points from the car point and rear corners. Additional features include the Audi Side Assist, Audi Adaptive Cruise Control with Stop and Go, Audi Active Lane Assist, and the Audi Night Vision Assistant. Here's the key fob to the car. On there we have the lock, unlock, trunk release, and the panic button in red. You can also press this button on the back to release the manual key. We also have the RS badge. Now let's go ahead and unlock it, start it up, and let you listen to the exhaust sound. The new RS does come with the smart keyless access entry, so all you have to do is leave the key somewhere on your body. To unlock, simply put your hand behind the handle, and to lock, simply touch on the outer side right there. First of all, as you can see, it does come with frameless doors. Also features a soft closing feature. Very sensitive. Here's a quick view of the interior. Interior comes in full leather. Looks extremely luxurious. Back seat. To start the engine, push your foot down the brake and press the start button located in the middle console. And as you can see, immediately after you start the engine, the navigation system screen pull out. Now let's pop open the hood and see what the new RS has to offer. Simply pull this lever out once. This will initially open the hood. And to open it fully, there's going to be another lever located in the center. Just pull this lever up and raise the hood to open. Under the hood, the 2016 Audi RS7 features a 4-liter V8 engine. The V8 engine pushes out 560 horsepower at around 5,700 RPM and 516 pound-foot of torque at 1,750 RPM. It is a 8-speed Tiptronic transmission with manual shift paddles mounted behind the steering wheel. The 2016 RS7 can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just under 3.7 seconds, and its top speed is 190 miles per hour with the performance model and 174 miles per hour with this specific model. As for fuel economy, the RS7 gets 15 miles per gallon in the city, 25 miles per gallon on the highway, and when combined it gets 18 miles per gallon. To further enhance gas mileage, the RS7 is also equipped with the auto start and stop efficiency system. With this system on, the engine will automatically shut off the engine when it comes to red light or when stuck in traffic jams, and as soon as the driver let go of the brake, the engine will instantly restart. Up front, the first thing we have is the rain sensing intimate windshield wiper with adjustable speed. Moving down, we have the iconic Audi single frame grille with the Audi logo right in the center, along with the RS7 badge on the left hand side. Immediately below the Audi logo, there's a built-in front view camera. And as you can see, there's the carbon fiber finish. It looks very attractive. The front bumper is also equipped with parking assist that will automatically notify the driver when the vehicle is close to hitting any objects. For enhanced visibility, Audi is known for its beautifully designed full LED headlights which includes LED daytime running lights, LED low and high beam, and LED turn signal lights. This gives Audi its unmistakable appearance. Here's a closer look at the bumper. Overall, the new RS7 front face is extremely aggressive. Moving over to the side, there's the cornering light. Body color side view mirror with integrated LED turn signal light, power adjustable feature, power folding, auto dimming, and heated function. Here's a quick look at the lower side. This specific model comes with 21-inch 5-spoke blade design wheels with titanium finish and summer tires. The front is equipped with 15.4 ventilated disc brake, whereas the rear comes with 14-inch ventilated disc brake. Behind the wheels, we have the 4-wheel anti-lock braking system with electronic stability control and brake assist. All 4 wheels are equipped with a tire pressure monitoring system. To the back, there's the attractive LED brake light strip on the rear windshield. Moving down, the RS7 is equipped with an adjustable height rear deck spoiler, which look extremely aggressive when lowered or raised. On both sides are the eye-catching LED tail lamps with LED brake light and LED turn signal light. The rear is also equipped with a rear view camera that automatically turns on when the car is put into reverse. Parking assists are also built into the rear bumper. At the bottom, there's the carbon fiber finished rear diffuser and the sport exhaust with high gloss black tips. Here's a closer look. Extremely attractive. Now let's go ahead and open the trunk and see what's inside. Very spacious. First thing I noticed, there's 2 hooks on this side and 2 additional one on this side. There's the first aid kit. Light on top with additional hook there. Same goes on this side. And let's see if we open this part. There's your speaker Bose amp. Under here we have your spare tire along with all your tools. And here's the trunk cover. Up here we have another slot for your tools. And 2 buttons here. This is to close the trunk, and the lock button is to lock the door. Very nice. As for the gas tank, just make sure the car is unlocked. To open, simply push in. And the RS7 can hold up to 19.8 gallons of gas. And it is recommended by Audi to use premium unleaded gasoline only. Here's a complete view at the top. As you can see, it does come with a sunroof. And here it is with the sunroof tilt function on. Very sporty. And here it is with the sunroof fully open. Now let's take a closer look at what we have on the driver's side door. We have the door lock and unlock button. And as you can see, the strip in white and black finish there looks very nice. For power window control, at the bottom we have the child lock control for the back door. Side view mirror control there. Side door storage compartment. And here we have the trunk control opener, RS7 door sealed, brake and gas pedal, hood release lever. And here we have multiple front seat adjustment control, including lumbar support and massage function. Here's a closer look at the front seat. Very clean and nice. Adjustable height seat belt placement. Another lock and unlock feature does work on all 4 doors. Here's a quick view of the back seat. Side door also have the same kind of design. We can also lock the door from back here. Power window control, cigarette ashtray, and side door compartment. RS7 door sealed. Now again, I am 5'7", so this gives you a better idea of how much leg space you'll have sitting in the back. I have plenty of space back here. No trouble with spacing at all. Full view at the front for sitting in the back. Looks very nice. 2 additional air vent for the rear here. Full climate control. And here we have 2 additional 12-volt core charge outlet. And the middle portion is raised up, as you can see there. Net storage for the back seat. Here's a closer look at the back seat. It does come with the latch system for you to securely hook down your baby seat. And in here we have additional storage compartment with 2 cup holders on the end here. I can open this. There it is. And you can also open this whole piece down, which will give you access into the trunk. On top we have your handbar. Directly above our head is the light control. And on both sides we have a hook there with another air vent. Same goes on the other side. And we're back in the driver's seat. Here we have the multi-spoke RS7 leather wrap steering wheel. Very detailed and nice. Over here we have the different display control, in which allows you to control everything that's going to be displayed here. Audi logo in the middle with the horn. Over here we have the audio volume control along with your voice command. Here's the standard gear shift paddle behind the steering wheel. Windshield wiper control. Right and left turn signal with the active lane assist button on the end here. Below here we have your adaptive cruise control and your steering wheel placement control. Driver air vent. Fog light control, headlamps control, and the head-up display control knob. Moving on up, we have your driver sun visor with a small piece of mirror with light on top, which turn on and off according to the open and closure of the mirror. You can move this whole piece over to the side for better sun coverage. We also have the handbar here also. Moving over to the middle, we have the beautiful navigation system and audio display, which you can choose to lower at any time. Let's go ahead and show it to you. There's this button next to the air vent on the left hand side here. You can simply press it once to lower it, which still looks very nice because it integrates in very nicely. And just simply press it once again to raise. 2 additional air vent with a hazard light control in the middle. That's where you insert your CD. Climate control, parking assist, spoiler control, traction control. Here we have a pretty big storage compartment there, and the same black and white stripe design. And here's our gear shift box to control. Push your foot down the brake, press the button on the front, move down to R to put the car into reverse. When you do so, rear view camera automatically display here on the screen with guided lines which move according to the movement of the steering wheel. And for neutral, D for drive, over to the right. For sport mode, simply push up or down to change gears, or you can use the gear paddle here behind the steering wheel. Over here on the left hand side, we have your power parking brake. Below that, we have a touchpad for you to store your favorite radio channels. Engine start and stop button there. Audio volume control, you can simply press down to turn the audio on or off. And here we have the different display setting from navigation. Here's a navigation view. And here's your telephone view, media view, and the radio view. The middle knob is twistable, and you can also press down on it to select. Here's the car control setting view. Looks very nice and futuristic. 2 cup holders for the front. Now from the middle armrest compartment, you have a storage compartment on top, and if you raise this up, below that we have additional storage compartment with 2 USB input with an L0 input and a 12-volt car charger outlet. Glove box compartment. And here's to show you complete view of the dash. There's the head-up display. Moving on up, we have your auto-dimming rear view mirror. Further up, we have a spot for you to put your glasses. Different lighting controls on both sides. And in the middle, we have the rear lights control along with the sunroof control. And here's your universal garage door opener control. And then to show you the sunroof. There it is with the tilt function on. And here it is fully open from the inside. Alright guys, that's all for today. Thanks everyone for watching, and as always, make sure to leave me comments and feedback as to what you think about this car below. For more future car reviews, go ahead and subscribe to this channel, and remember to give our videos a thumbs up. Also, make sure to check out our official Facebook page for our everyday activity. Again, thanks everyone for watching, and I'll see everyone in the next video review.